everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ, and I have yet another addition to the Hydro series of IP65 rated moving head fixtures from ADJ. Welcome, the Hydro Spot 1. Now granted, you'll notice this one has a little bit smaller footprint than some of the other fixtures within the Hydro series, but don't let that fool you. This has a 200 watt LED engine that's very, very powerful. And with this fixture coming in at only 35 pounds, it makes it very versatile for outdoor staging or indoor applications where maybe you just don't have the ability to be able to go up and service your fixtures as often as you would like. Because the internal components are vacuum sealed, you won't have to worry about any of that. Now when it comes to color, we've given you 2 different color wheels, each with 8 colors. The first wheel is going to have your primary colors that you would use for pretty much everyday applications. The second is obviously going to have your secondary colors. Between the 2 color wheels, you also have a CTB, a CTO, and a UV filter as well. When it comes to beam shaping, we've given you a motorized zoom from 12 to 23 degrees, which is going to give you a lot of options. We've also given you 2 frost filters, both a medium and heavy frost. And the heavy frost is going to help you create kind of a wash type atmosphere from this fixture. And the medium is going to allow you to give a soft edge to any gobo projections to texturize your wall. We have a 5-facet linear prism as well as a 6-facet circular prism to give you some really expansive effects that you can do with the beam. This unit features 1 gobo wheel with 6 rotating replaceable gobos as well. When it comes to control, you'll be happy to know that this unit is RDM enabled, so that makes life much easier for those of you who have an RDM enabled controller. On the back, we're going to have 5-pin DMX in and through, as well as a locking IP65 rated power in and through as well. On the front, you'll see a very familiar full color touchscreen display that will allow you to access virtually every aspect of this light on board and of course through DMX as well. So again guys, this is the Hydro Spot 1. We're very, very excited. This is probably one of the most compact units on the market that's IP65, and we're very excited for it to be on your stage. So again, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ. Again, this is the Hydro Spot 1, and we'll see you soon.